Oh my God, I haven't seen y'all in so long. Sorry if y'all hear that. If y'all hear dog barking in the background, it's not my dog, so I don't know. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know who it is. Sorry, hold on, I'm putting on some lotion, the last of it, because I'm ashy. Y'all, I haven't seen y'all in so long. Hey, welcome back. I'm so sorry that y'all haven't seen me in a little minute. It's been about 2 months. But if you're here, you clicked on this video because I told y'all I would come back with an update on how much my first YouTube check was. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and keep watching. And while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've been gone for a little minute, but if you want to know why, I can make a separate video and we'll get into all that because life been getting real. But I'm back today. And I'm here to talk to y'all. I'm gonna update y'all on what the YouTube money has been looking like. But before we get into that, we got some updates. So as of March 29th, this YouTube video is officially 1 year old. First update, so thank y'all to all y'all that's been watching all this time. Second update, y'all, we are currently at the time of this video. Hold on. 5,484 subscribers. So shout out to y'all because I was just sitting right here telling y'all how I had just hit 500 subscribers. Now we're at 5,000 subscribers. So thank y'all so much. I appreciate all y'all that's enjoying my content, that's coming on this journey with me. So shout out to all 5,000 of y'all. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I just appreciate y'all so much. Last update, this is a big one. Milestone. Okay, so that video, the finally monetized as a small YouTuber, y'all been doing y'all thing, okay? Because that video is at 90,000 views. 90,000 views. And I never thought I'd say that, so let's go ahead and get that video to 100,000 views. And yeah, thank y'all for letting me put information out there. Thank y'all for all the comments, the loves. Yeah, I've been kind of taking a little break, but I've been seeing what y'all been saying. I am acknowledging all y'all comments. Thank y'all so much. I just have not gotten a chance to comment to all of y'all because it's like 5,000 comments. It's 5,000 of y'all. It's only one of me. So be gentle with me, okay? But yes, thank y'all so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into what y'all really came for. So let me tell y'all how much my first YouTube check was. We're gonna get into some stats. We're gonna get into how much I made so far. I'm gonna try to talk about a little RPM, CPM. Yeah, we're gonna just dive right in. If y'all see me wearing this shirt in another video, it's because I'm trying to edit 2 videos at once, so don't judge. This ain't that, okay? I'm doing all this in one day, so relax. All right, so I got monetized in February and monetized, I believe, February 5th. So my first YouTube check came March 21st, and that was a Friday. So my first YouTube check was $245.41. So I'm gonna do my best to break it down. We're gonna get into numbers, statistics, views, monies, all that, and I'm gonna try to go by month. So we're gonna look at February, we're gonna look at March, and we're gonna look at last month, which was April. So that's all I got for y'all so far. It's only been monetized for like 3 months. So we're gonna start with February. Okay, so I'm looking at my iPad too right here, y'all, for reference. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. So my channel got 46,808 views for the month of February. Total watch time hours was 2,933. I got 1,122 subscribers, and impressions for my channel was 812,176. That sounds weird saying. I don't know, my math don't be mathing sometimes. But okay. Top performing video as far as numbers was The Truth About Becoming a New YouTuber. That video earned me $118.08 in February. Next was How I Gained 1,000 Subscribers. That video gained me $69.79. And then the next video after that was finally monetized as a new YouTuber, because I believe I made that video last. Like, that video came towards the end of the month. So the revenue for that video for February wasn't where it is now because it was right before the cutoff. So that video made $28.38. Right after that was the iPhone video, which came in at $14, and then everything after that was all single digits. So that brought me to a total of $245.41 for the month of February. Now I am going to go into the next month, which was March. So March 1st through 31st, my channel had about 75,444 views. Shout out to y'all. Watch time hours was 4,391. And I believe that's in total, right? Isn't that in total up until the month, the watch time hours? Whatever, but okay. Subscribers, I gained 1,979 subscribers. And then March was a month that I've made the most money so far, and I will tell y'all that in 1 second. Impressions for my channel for the month of March was 1,341. What the heck? I don't know how to say it. Okay. Impressions for my channel for the month of March was 1.3 mil. That sounds like a lot. I wish that was the money, but that is not the money. That's the impressions. The amount of people that came across my channel. So top performing videos for the month of March was finally monetized as a small YouTuber. That video alone for the month of March made me $444.63. Second was the truth about becoming a new YouTuber. That video earned me $44.48. And third was how I gained 1,000 subscribers. That video made me $30.29. And then after that, things I wish I would have known when starting YouTube. That video made me $21.60. Right after that was the unboxing the new iPhone 15 video, and I made this video back in September. It's still making some money. That video made me $18.78, and then everything after that is to follow. So in total, for the month of March, I earned from YouTube $585.60. Okay, let's get into the latest statistics and earnings, and that is for last month, which is the month of April. And at this point, this is when I'm taking my little break. I didn't record anything last month. Did I record in March? No, I think I took my break like right at the beginning of March, because there was a lot of birthdays going on and stuff that y'all don't care about. And if you do care, let me know. I will make a separate video on why I went on a 2-month hiatus. I don't plan on doing that again. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, so for the month of April, my YouTube channel had 41,414 views. Total watch time hours was 2,429. I gained 1,144 subscribers. All right, top performing video was finally monetized as a small YouTuber. I made $275.24. Next after that was truth about becoming a YouTube partner at 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So that video made me $33.33 last month. Next after that was how I gained 1,000 subscribers. That video made $18.37. And then after that, the easy how to edit YouTube tutorial. I'm forgetting. The easy how to edit YouTube tutorial video made $12.72. After that, things I wish I would have known when first starting YouTube. That video made $11.39. And then after that was the iPhone video, made $9. And this was last month. And then the rest of the videos are decreasing in amount after that, because those are the ones that are the least watched, which brings the total amount that I made last month to $371.12. Some questions that y'all might want to know. Y'all might want to know, how does YouTube pay, like, specifics? So I think I explained this part in the finally monetized video. Once you create your AdSense account and all of that, once you've hit the threshold of $100, you will get an email or some type of notification. Me personally, I won't looking for these things, but you will get notified once you meet your $100 threshold, and then they'll add you to basically go into your Google AdSense and add your bank account info. So what I've noticed is they'll update your account between the beginning of the month on the 7th through the 12th. Like one of those days in between the 7th and the 12th, you'll see that your account or your balance has been updated in your Google AdSense. Now, it is gonna update in your YouTube Studio before you see it populate into your Google AdSense account. So don't be alarmed if YouTube Studio says you earned $2,200 and then you look in Google AdSense and then it says 0. It's gonna take a few days for it to catch up. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanna tell y'all, because at first I was looking like, where's my money? So yes, the two will not align for a few days. But believe whatever you see in your Google AdSense, because that's what's going into your bank account. So I noticed at the beginning of the month, you know, the first couple days, 7th, 10th, 9th, one of those days, Google AdSense is gonna show me how much money is coming into my bank account. You will not get this money until the end of the month. By the end of the month, I mean, I've gotten paid on the 21st, I've gotten paid on the 22nd. Now I noticed on the weekend, probably not gonna get any money if it's a Saturday or Sunday because it's not a business day. But the first time I got paid on a Friday. It was the 21st. And then this last time I got paid on the 22nd. That was a Monday. And then my money that I made last month is gonna be coming this month. So I'm gonna anticipate that I will probably get that money anywhere between the 21st and the 22nd, because YouTube Studio will tell you that you have money on the way and it's coming between the 21st and the 26th. So I guess it just depends on your banking and what method of payment you chose. But for me, I'm noticing 21st, 22nd. And a lot of y'all have also been asking me to kind of explain, like, how does YouTube decide how much money you make from what video, and RPM versus CPM. So I'm gonna try my best to explain it, but RPM and CPM is honestly something that I'm still trying to figure out. So RPM is revenue per mil, which means it's gonna show you how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. So RPM of $5 for every 1,000 views on your channel. So that number is gonna change with every video because it just depends. And then CPM, hold on, I'm trying to like give y'all the definition and then explain, because this is like how my brain is understanding it. Okay. CPM is cost per mil, and it's the amount that the advertiser will pay for every 1,000 impressions or every 1,000 views. And this number is not gonna be the same as the RPM, and it also depends on what kind of content you're making. So by that, I mean, you know, you can look this up. YouTubers will tell you certain categories of video will make more money than others. For example, I think we all know finance is the biggest like money maker on YouTube. If you make a video talking about numbers, making money, informational things like that, it's probably gonna make more if you do a vlog. Why? I don't know. I mean, it kind of makes sense because you're teaching the people how to get money on a YouTube platform and then you're posting it on YouTube. So that makes sense. That's just what I learned so far. So as I get further into the YouTube journey, I can probably elaborate on RPM versus CPM more, but I did find out that those two numbers are not gonna be the same for everybody, nor are they gonna be the same for every video. So for example, I'm gonna show y'all here, okay, for my finally monetized as a small YouTuber. In total, this is overall, since I first posted the video up until now, I have made a total of, and this is my highest earning video on my channel. So overall, I've made a total of $784.39 from this video. And that is with 90,000 views. And the RPM for the video is $8.62. CPM for the video is $18. So what does that mean? Playback costs $18 per 1,000 views. So it says how much advertisers pay every 1,000 times your watch page content is viewed with ads. Food for thought. And that is my YouTube update on my first YouTube check. Some of my statistics, more information about earnings, and that is coming from a new YouTuber who needs to be more consistent. like I said, I took my little 2-month break. Currently editing another video. A lot of crazy stuff going on that I need to talk about in that other video. I'm gonna try to get that content out to y'all. But yes, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Talk to me in the comment section below. Give me your feedback. Let me know how you feel about the video. Is there anything else that you want me to talk about? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.